Hello student, today chapter 3 I will show you the table drawing for another last process, the quick table. Okay, let us start the table. Now you can see this is the document area. I will draw the table. Clear? Now you know the step, insert table. Already we have learned the table format, grid process, insert table, draw table. Now last one, quick tables. You can see the many format, many patterns. The many patterns are there. You can choose any things. Okay, now I select one. Now you can see this kind of table I have drawn. Now how to edit of this? You will type of this one and then edit. Instead of name you will change it. Okay, now I am showing to another process. This one, quick table icon. Then see the many process. I am taking now another last one. Okay, this format you see, uh, many pattern you can see, and there I will select. Okay, but I'm not going of these things. I will say only the table and format. If you will draw, then it is correct. Okay, means it is good and easiest. That one is more hard. Now you can see this table I have drawn, and I have making the smaller. Okay, now table styles. Here you can see the design group. If you will go here, you will see two design group are there, but we will go to the design, last design. Okay, this design also you will see the table format, and the another design group also you see. But remember this part, whenever you will do, select that plus sign. After that, this design, you can see many things, many styles are there. These are the styles, table styles you have done before. Okay, so how did you select? You click on the plus sign. You can see this plus sign is there. If you click on the plus sign, this table will be select. Okay, now here you can see I will draw the border lines. Okay, this line border is very important things, and I will show you. Clear? Now these steps, whenever you will go design, now you can see this part is border part, you know that. And now border, if you click on here, then you see many border lines are there. Okay, if you do like this, it will be happen. Okay, if you now increase the border width size, border style, these are the style format. Which kind of style you will take, you can select. So where you will go, border, select border style. Okay, then I will go. After that, this is the very important thing, the pen. Okay, select, you go and touch the line. Okay, touch the line and click on anywhere where you will give the line design, there you will go and touch and click. But all border if you will give, then you will go to the border, then or select first of all border. Here can see the all border, all the lines, it will come the same process. No need to go here, this process no need to go one by one. If you do all borders, click on all borders, this whatever borders lines are there, everything will be design will come. Now I will teach you how to change the border line color. This one I saw the border line shapes. Now border line color, border color. Okay, here you can see many things, but if you select the color, after that if you give, it will not come. Okay, the here also same process, another one, whatever you previous border line format you did, same style you will do. But how to do, then select it. First of all, you know the select mean plus sign you will go. Okay, then once again will select the color. This color where you will get, pen color options. Okay, this also. Now but remember how to select, you will always click on the plus sign. Now pen color, after that you select which color you want to take. Okay, here also same process. If you click on one by one line, on the one line, one cell, each cell, the line will come. But if you know, if you do all the colors, same process will go border and then all border. So whatever boxes lines are there, everything will come. So my dear students, you will practice in your home. After that I will tell you how to change the border color. You will write the steps. Okay.